welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the multifunctional 3-in-1 cooling stand for PS5 by a company called Hapaw. This is a really cool product. You can see it's a stand that will work with your PS5, either the digital or the disc version, and it has charging, magnetic charging for all your controllers, a stand for your VR glasses. Really cool. It does have cooling fans built into it. It's got controller chargers, VR glasses storage stand, the P5 controller charger, and charging light indicator. Looking on the back here, you can see it will work with either the digital version of the PS5 or the disc version. Either one, it'll work and hold it. You've got three levels of intensity with the fan, as well as a switch. You've got indicators for all of your controllers, so you know if they're charging. Red means they're charging, and green means they're fully charged. You've also got a couple of a strap that comes in here. As you can see, you can use that to kind of help with your cords and things like that. So taking a quick look at the features, you're going to see this is magnetic. He's got these USB-C magnets that go into your controllers so that you can then just throw the controllers on the dock and they'll magnetically attach and start charging, which is super cool. Makes it really fast and efficient to charge. And you've also got that stand, built-in stand for your VR headset. Looking on the other side here, you can see how the PS5 goes in there. It sits down in there. There's a screw that's included that goes through the bottom to attach it. You connect the included cord to the PS5 if you want to power this through the PS5, or you can connect a your own Type-C power cord to this in order to power it that way. It'll work either way. That is up to you. And it does have two USB outs as well. So let's get this open up and check out what comes in the box. I'm going to set this off to the side here, and let's pull this out, and here you go. This is it. This is the stand. I think that's going to be the tower for the VR headset. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Now, you do get detailed instructions here that kind of explain how everything works and how it all goes together. So you got that. These are your little straps that they include that you can use with the headset or with cord, however you want to use it. But they can be used with the headset to help attach those. This is the star of the show. This is the stand. Here's that screw, and there's that screw hole. So you can see once you attach this, and then that's going to go in there to screw in to attach it. You can see you've got your two fans here, dual fans here, and you've got these nice rubber feet. These lift it up so that air can get underneath here to come through those fans. And these feet are also nice rubber grippy, so they will hold it in place and keep this from shifting around, which is great. And then this is where your PS5 is going to go here. Again, you can see this will work for either the digital version or the disc version. Here's the place where you have for your two controllers, and here are your magnetic little USB-Cs. If I can get that out there. There we go. And see, there you go. See, so this is a USB-C. So you're going to plug this into your controllers, and there's 5 of them here. And then once this is plugged into the back of your controller, then you just sit your controller down in here, and you can see it just magnetically just attaches and starts charging. So you don't have to worry about when you put your controller in there, like trying to line it up with some Type-C that's sticking out. So you just leave this in your controller. When your controller battery is getting low, you just put your controller in there. That'll just immediately attach to the magnet and start charging. Same thing over here for your handheld, for your VR. You've got the little magnets for charging there too. So that's why they include 5 of these. You've got 2 or 3 to use for controllers and 2 to use for your handhelds for VR, which is pretty awesome. You've got your little display indicator here. Yeah, and they keep it separate so you know exactly A and B. And again, they'll be red when they're charging, green when they're fully charged. Same thing over here for your handhelds. You've got left and right indicators. And then you've got your fan indicator here, low, medium, and high, and your switch to switch it up. Here on the front, you've got your USB ports. Again, this is Type-C. If you want to power this separately using a Type-C in with the power supply rather than using your PS5, you can do that. or you can attach this to your PS5 and then that will power this. So you can do it either way. And then these are 2 USB out ports. These are just additional. If you need additional chargers for additional controllers, you need to charge 3 controllers at once, you can use these for that. Then the only other thing you have is this little tower stand here. And we'll just throw this together really quick so you can kind of see what that looks like. And that's going to go in there like that in order to give you a place to put your headset. It may go the other way around. Probably does, because it would probably look better if the smooth side is out. But anyway, yeah, you put that on there, and now you've got a place to put your headset. And so if you're using VR, this is going to be awesome, because you're going to be able to hook stuff, hang stuff on here. You've got your 2 hand controllers here. You've got your regular controllers here. Really a place for everything. Really great charging system with the magnets so that things just pop down in there. Just a really, they thought of everything. Really did a really good job. Again, this is the 3-in-1 multifunctional cooling stand for PS5 from Hapaw. And definitely a great product. And that's everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. If you have any questions, post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.